Sir, this is a presentation of Deliverable 2-2 by Cadets Morgan and Spillane. The purpose of this deliverable is to demonstrate understanding of Excel pivot tables and using them to gather summary statistics. The way we're going to demonstrate this is by building tables based on COCOM country and user input lat long to make pie charts of target by type, attack by type, weapon type, line charts showing the number of attacks by month, bar plot of fatalities, casualties by type, and a line chart of fatalities and casualties by month. So we're going to get through this by first doing Afghanistan from 2000 month 1 day 1 to 2014 month 12 day 31. So what we do is we run this first, we gather my data, and we create our charts and pivot tables. Let this run. As you can see, it makes the charts and pivot tables. So we clear them. And the next we want to do it by COCOM. So we're going to do CENTCOM from 2010 to the same end date. We clear the data first, run the new data. Now we create our data tables. And we can see that we've created new data tables based off our new criteria. So we clear these tables, clear our data, do it based off lat long. We've already pre-inputted the lat long of 30.05, 31.25, and our distance is 50 kilometers. Do it by date. We change our date to 1980. And our end date to 2010. Clear the data. Update our distance. Takes a little bit. Now we can run our lat long distance, create all charts and pivot tables. And we get our final pivot tables based off this. Now we can go into some of our VBA code. You can see that the VBA code simply creates pivot tables and the chart for each type. We've labeled it here for each category of our 6 charts that we want to make. You can see this result in the Excel sheet. If we go to target type, it creates a pivot table and the chart for each of our desired tables. We can just clear this. And sir, as far as any strengths and weaknesses of our code, we feel our code is very strong. Our program and dashboard does everything that we want it to and that it's required to do. As far as weaknesses, we did have a bug earlier when we were working on the program in which we did not have enough memory to run the program, and the way we fix this is instead of running an unnecessary amount of rows, a little bit more than 147,000 rows, we shortened it down to a number like 60,000, which is more than enough for any amount of rows we would ever need to run, but this allowed our program to successfully operate. As far as future work goes, we could add names for the rows and clean up our presentation a little bit and make our charts bigger and easily formatted.